Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500.
Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle.
Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride.
Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.